Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to share HBO Max Account 2026. In 2026, sharing your Max account is restricted to people living in your physical household, following a global crackdown that began in 2025 and expanded throughout 2026. Sharing password with friends or family in different locations now require a paid extra member or add-on. Now, sharing within your household is free. All you have to do is you can create up to 5 distinct profiles so everyone has their own watch list and history. Now, simultaneous streaming depends on your plan. Standard plan can give you up to 2 devices at once. However, Ultimate ad-free plan will provide you up to 7 devices at once. Now, to confirm a device is a part of your household, connected to your home Wi-Fi and stream for a few minutes at least once a month. And you should be able to share your Max account for free. Now, if you are sharing it outside your household, what you want to do is go ahead and purchase the extra member or add-on, approximately $7.99 a month. Then most accounts are limited to 1 extra member. The extra member gets their own login and password but enjoys the same feature as your base plan, like 4K quality if you have the ultimate plan, and extra members can only stream on 1 device at a time. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.